Warning, this is not a haircut channel. This is a crafting channel, but I'm gonna craft my own hair up. It's gotta go. If you like what you see, subscribe, hit the like button, really helps the channel out, and I'll get you some more stuff. If you don't like what you see, that's fine. Just leave, because, you know, we all have our own taste, but no reason to be rude. Okay. We're gonna do something reckless today. I'm gonna try to give myself a mohawk. Now, I've had a mohawk before. I didn't cut that one myself. Y'all, it is 2020. We give our own haircuts around here. Gonna need this. I got some trusty scissors. They're not that great. We're gonna see how this works. Not only do I need to cut all this crazy, there's a lot of side action here, but this is long, guys, like really long. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right in. Okay, so here we go. I should probably put a guard on. Against my better judgment, I'm gonna start with a 2. I probably want to go to 1. I really like it short. But I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. Okay. I should be done. I should stop now before I ruin this. Let's keep going. Now, don't try this at home. Just kidding. Totally do this at home. It's just hair. Let's do it. It's just hair. I feel the need to mention that I do have a job. And I don't work from home. It's actually at a bank. We're gonna do it anyway. That feels better. That's fine, right? I could just leave this. There's so much hair. There's gonna be a lot of check in the back. So I don't know if you can see, but I have these like double crowns, like 2. I do have a hairdresser that I don't get to see anymore. Yeah. It's hard to cut my hair. Let's just skip to the other side. Let's check the back again. I can't really see. You watch for me. How much did I miss? I recommend, if you have friends, you get some help. So it's not perfect, but it's pretty even. All right, now a little fade action. So the first was 2. Now we're going to drop to 1.5. It's a cut and a roll off. Can't go straight. We'll end up with the cut that's at like the top. And we want to fade. Now we're going to drop down to 1 and do the same thing. I'm dropping stuff. Didn't we just do this? We're going to do it again. A little bit shorter now. The hair's in the way. Alright, back again. We gotta do it again. One more time. Yeah, we gotta do it again. Almost done. You ready to cut? There's a lot of hair. I think I'm more nervous on this part than on the other part. Let's start at the front. That probably wasn't right. We have barely started with the top and my arms are sore. I'm throwing stuff. Gotta shake it thumbs. When I was a little girl, I thought I wanted to be a hairdresser. I was wrong. I'm just trying so hard not to cut my fingers. Let's just shave it all. I'm trying out. It's too wet. Okay, let's style it and see how it looks. No, we're not done. Oh, screw it, we're going. Doo-doo-doo. I got too much. It's not bad. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. Be nice. Come back and watch me again. It won't be cutting my hair. Can you see my face? This is where I'll be.